Sorry to disturb your scrolling. May God heal everything that you are suffering alone. Ignorance is a poison that kills love, friendship, and all the good feelings. Science has a lot to say. You just need to listen carefully. Sorry, my mistake for thinking you love me. Karma says, someday someone will break you so badly that you will become unbreakable. Just want to see away from every day, no call, no friend, nothing. Just me, my music, and my music is that's it. Bilai cannot be so no one can choose you twice. Silence is the most powerful conversation. A man without a woman is a bachelor, but a woman without a man is a genius. Love is not based on sex, love is based on respect, trust, and honesty. Learn to be alone because no one will stay forever. Dear overthinker, things will not change because you think over and more over. Don't say you miss me when you don't even try to talk me. Society may predict but only can determine my destiny. You need a break from people, not life. People who hide their feelings usually care the most. Distance is my new response. I don't argue. I just remove myself. Real ones will always stay. There is no true love without jealousy. Need me. If you need me, I am here. If you don't need me, I am still here. I will not leave you. Love is nothing without action. Trust is nothing without proof. Sorry is nothing without change.